Kavita, drama. What do you make of this latest development and Novogratz trying to get out of this deal?
I genuinely feel like if anybody who is in the VC space would look at the deal and say, hey, the valuations are different from the time the conversation started, took longer than for it to close. Also, after the Luna fiasco, do we really have cash on the balance sheet to do it? I mean, of course, they blame that for SEC filing, they needed some certain more documents, which is very easily provable by the exchange of emails. So could have never been reached here if there was ever an intention of actually doing the deal. I genuinely feel it's the market sentiments than anything else, whether Galaxy can afford it, does need it at the same valuation, or does it even make sense with the business they are going forward with?
You know, I'm so curious about what you think this means for deal making moving forward. This was such a massive deal in the space. A lot had to be said about confidence with a deal like this getting broken up. On the other hand, you look at the investment banks, including Galaxy's, and they seem to be busy. But are these deals born out of a market that is trying to restructure, or deals born out of a chance to build a stronger market at the end?
I feel like it's everywhere, right? So you have deals which is like Coinbase is making with institutional accounts to be able to help them have their private wealth managers do direct crypto ownership. So I feel like the infrastructure play is going on with respect to crypto companies which are which exist at a very big level. But acquisition offers, if the valuation is still the old valuation, people are backing out. We have been seeing that since the Luna fiasco. Even at the smallest level, so many funds who have committed the money into early stage investments have also asked money or disappeared or backed out or asked for lower valuations. So we have been seeing it for last couple of months continuously. We have seen the shift in the valuations in a massive way, but I think this is one of those cases where the valuation is still the old build and the deal has to be done in the market where you can get a better deal.
Another deal in the market that is worth talking about is this idea that you can pay through Reddit for a way to purchase Ethereum through an integration with FTX. You know, FTX is into stocks, FTX is into crypto, but what does something like Reddit do for them? Do we think that more social media platforms will partner with companies like this to get the job done?
Yeah, and I think this is not the first one. Twitter did it already. They just did it with Bitcoin. I think we're going to see more and more Web2 adoption. When you say fintech, there will be an extra layer of payment through blockchain if you directly want to go there. And that is also the idea of the KYC and exchanges coming and getting new customers. Like, how are you going to get them? And I think it's a very smart way FTX is coming. And not only working with social media platform, but any payment, any place where you have an e-commerce option to be done, just add another crypto payment system out there.